Hi guys, yesterday I went to the American Dream Mall and I got a bunch of fidgets, like some in a mystery pack, some just in a bag, like this one, I got it in a bag. It's a very simple dimple, so I'm going to go over what I got. So first, I got a DNA ball, which is my favorite fidget for some reason. I just really like it. I don't know, but I do like DNA balls without air more than with air. So I'm going to have to rate this a 12 out of 10. I'm going to rate this one 10 out of 10, of course. A pop tube, yes, I love mini pop tubes. They're just so cute. And let's put this together. Good. So I'll rate this like a million out of 10. This puppet's 10 out of 10. Like, listen to the pop. It's a heart poppet. This is the non-satisfying pop. Okay, now this is the satisfying. I don't know why I got it from It's Sugar like that. I got it from It's Sugar. Which makes no sense. Okay, so, of course, like 10 out of 10. Of course. Everybody knows these are my least favorite fidgets. I hate foam stressful, so just like so not fun. Like I could hit anything. That's the fun part about it. It like really bounces. I was expecting to have like the one that has like beads in it. I really love those though. I like touched it one time at Five Below. I was obsessed, but I had a budget, so yeah, I couldn't buy it. But then at first I was just like, oh, I finally got it, and then I touched it, and then I was just like, no, I hate it. I don't like it. I don't like foam stress balls. Looks cute. My mom rated this a 10 out of 10 because she likes Rubik's Cubes. But there's also this one, and she rated it a 5 out of 10 because how easy it is. So yeah, but I rate this one like maybe, I don't like this kind. So I'll rate it a 1 out of 10. I'll rate this one a 10 out of 10 because it's easy, and I like easy. The foam stressful fell. So here's a dimple spinner. Let me try. I just don't like the sound, to be honest. Like, do you hear that sound when I spin it? It just annoys me for some reason, so I'll rate that like 5 out of 10. Yeah, 5 out of 10. Wacky tracks, I love these. But to be honest, to do tricks with them, like make them into like a like this is going to take a while. Like, you know that little trick where you can make it into a phone holder? That took me hours to make, and it didn't even do it. Well, I had to make a bunch of them. I had to get a bunch of them because I have an iPad. And it didn't work. It didn't work. Just stick to the case. Stick to the case. Well, there was actually 2 of them. So, yeah. Infinity cubes, yes. My favorite sound to make with an infinity cube is this. I don't know why. It kind of annoys me though. That's the favorite part of doesn't even stick, so I'll rate it a 7. A swoosh ball. I'll rate it like I'll rate it maybe I'll say like an 8. There's 2 of them, so and then there's a simple dimple. Well, it's a chewable simple dimple. And then there's a mini poppet. So here's a non-satisfying pop. Oh, maybe a little bit satisfying. But then here is the pop one. Okay, wait, look at this. Okay, anyways, I'm obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with this one, and I'm obsessed with this one. 1,000,000 out of 10 for both. Monkey noodles, I'm not much of a fan of monkey noodles, so, but I do like the shredders. So I'll rate it like maybe an 8 out of 10. I know. Oh, wait. Oh. Here's a marble mesh. Not my favorite because it doesn't make a lot of noise, which is satisfying for me. It keeps. If you are one of my kind of people, then you know that you like fidgets that are annoying. Like that. Okay, wait, I have to find something. An acupressure ring. I really like these because they massage my fingers and it's just relaxing. What I also like about them is that you could hit them in any sort of way, and it hurts. So yeah. There's a bunch of trash in here. And there's another acupressure ring. Oh wait, I forgot to rate it. Annoying rate. Okay. I would rate it a annoying rate out of 10. If that makes sense to you. I do like annoying things, and this is annoying. So, yeah, I like to annoy my mom. That's a really, really true fact about me. I like to annoy people, which means that, like, simple dimples, this chewable simple dimple. Yes, perfect. It makes a lot of noise. This, no, I don't like it. It doesn't make a lot of noise. I do like this because it's relaxing. And it could also make a lot of noise if it go like this. Like it's a dodgeball. I like to put all the balls at the top and then like make it a DNA ball without air. But yeah, bye guys. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, and make sure other people like it. And most likely annoy people.